Alright guys, we are finally ready to take it for a spin. We already got it out of the garage, I can already see, and the seats are finally in. Had to go get some hardware for that. Seats are finally in, and he's going to go ahead and start her up, take it for a quick spin, and make sure it seems like it's somewhat safe to drive. Now, we still haven't taken care of the exhaust yet as far as the bottom piece, but he's just going to go up and down the strip real quick, make sure it's all good to go. And after that, he's going to come right around. If he feels he's okay with it, feels comfortable with it, I'm going to hop in and we're going to go for a spin. Alrighty, so let's see here. Let's start this guy up. Probably would help actually turn the guy on. Let's see here. Alright. How's it feel?
Just trying to get an idea.
Trying to get an idea? Trying to find that sweet spot?
This car was a little funny when I drove it.
What do you mean?
It was just...
You can still adjust the seat and all that stuff too.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to get an idea.
Not just the seat, the steering wheel.
I'm just trying to get an idea of what
okay. Let's make sure we got good action. Good travel. Hit the clutch a few times. Oh yeah, you got plenty of travel. That's plenty of travel. Alright, yeah. Buckle up for safety, kids. Come on.
Fat problems.
Come on. Come on.
Fat problems.
Cool. Awesome.
Watch my back.
Oh, I got your back. Let it warm up first. Just let it warm up. Yeah. Roll back a little bit. There you go. You're good. What's up? Oh, the fumes? Oh, you'll be fine once you start driving down the street.
No, I'm saying I'm not going to be able to stay here for very long.
Oh, okay, gotcha. We do got a nice little breeze coming here, too.
It's not bad now, but
As you get some alignment, a little bit of camber there. We hate camber.
we're going to fix
Ridiculous
that.
amount of camber.
You're going to fix that.
Oh yeah. Nice with you down here. I was just sitting. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let it ready whenever you are. Oh, that's right. Forgot about that. Yeah.
My plug is on here.
There we go. Oh my God. This is epic, guys. This is epic. Yeah, it's way too much camber. Now that sound, I don't know if you guys can hear that sound, but that just sounds like the brake pads wearing into the rotors. How does it feel?
Other than the super bad rotors back there and loud exhaust, it's pretty good actually.
All right.
Those rotors are pretty bad, man.
Oh, yeah, this is gonna be. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was pretty loud too. Apparently there was a cop right around the corner. I didn't see that cop, dude.
Yeah, there was one down the street.
Just sitting there chilling?
Yeah.
We're just gonna get out of here. Make sure everything's good to go. Yeah, that would have definitely caught a lot of attention, dude.
Yeah, we need to get back.
If you want, I'll go spot you.
Yeah, go spot.
Yeah. Neither was I. We rarely ever see cops coming down this area. Yeah, guys. Let's just say that it feels great in that car. He just has to learn the engagement in it, allow everything to break in. And once everything's breaking in, it should be a blast to drive around in. But yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't really paying attention too much. I was trying to get a nice little sky view. And that's pretty much about it. Just to see what we could find here, see if there's any cops. 'Cause we rarely ever see cops here. Apparently he saw one. And it's basically the red Panda riding dirty. And let's see here. I'm not seeing a cop right now. That doesn't mean. Let's see here. I'd whip it around. I'd whip it around. I don't see him. I see a Subaru. Maybe mistaken the Subaru? Well, that kind of does look, you know, from a distance.
No, not there. He was around the corner.
Okay.
At that intersection.
Maybe he's waiting for you to come around the other side. That's a Mustang. Crowd killer. Crowd killer. Yeah, it's a V8 too. So it'll at least be somewhat of a good crowd killer. Alrighty.
Of course you got it right there. Basically, this finishes up Red Panda's maiden voyage. A little bit unexpected. Normally in this area, there's never any cops, but surprisingly, there was one around the corner in a larger SUV, which is what threw Matt off, but it was definitely further in the distance. I've seen that one, that particular guy around the neighborhood a few times last month, but at this point I just didn't need any further complications just in my daily life, and definitely don't need need a ticket in my life. But at this point, basically the car is running really well. There is a slight hesitation or a bog down when you press the acceleration, but it's really slightly noticeable. But at this point, for how far we have gotten into this build, it's just amazing that we've, it's actually running on its own power. We're able to reverse, go through the gears. But at this point, if you guys like the video, just make sure you guys leave a like. If not, there's always a comment section if you guys want us to do something else, or if you got any recommendations, or you guys just need any type of help. We always reply back as soon as possible. But at this point, if there's nothing else, I will see you guys in the next one, and we'll see you guys on social media. Have a good one. Later.